Hey guys, Lauren D asked a great question. She's trying to 3D model this piece right here, this train track. And this is a really tough piece here. How might you start with something like this, especially these curved bits? Well, here's some hints that'll help you out. You need 16 of these pieces to make a complete circle. So we can use that to our advantage here to try and make this part here. Let's go take a look. So if I bring in a cylinder here, and I'll bring in another cylinder here to hollow out the inside of the first one. And I'll just turn it a different color real quick here, so it's a little easier to see. Then I'll make it a little bit smaller, but taller. And we'll use it to cut out the center of our other cylinder. Now you'd want to, when you're doing this, measure the thickness of this little piece here and make sure that you're getting that thickness on the rim around the outside here. Here we go. We've got a cylinder rim here. And like I just said, you need 16 train tracks to make a full circle in Lego. So if we cut this into 16 pieces, we can get that section there. So I'll go ahead and split off half. So this should be 8 sections worth of track. The full thing would have been 16. I've got half, so now I'm down to 8. Let's split it again. Just make it perfectly straight with the no, let's see. Okay, got it lined up right now, and I will split it again. Now we're down to a quarter of a circle. That would be 4 pieces of track. Again, now we've got a trickier job here of cutting this in half again. That looks about right. Now this would be down to 2 pieces of track, and we'll split it one more time here. And again, we'll make the angle here 45, so we're cutting it in half. Oh, not quite. Let's see, we need a little bit more than that. Let's do 70. Negative 75. There we go, that's looking pretty good. Split. Now I've got a 16th of a cylinder, and it's got just a slight curve to it. You'll see it's thicker than what I'd want for this piece right here, but that is how you could get a curve like that. Here's one more tip if you're trying to do this piece. You'll see that it's going to be kind of hard to space these out because they're curved along the track. I would take 2 measurements here. I would measure in between at the bottom, and I would make a block that is that big and put it in between them so you know they're that far apart. Then I would measure at the top too. I'd make a block that's this big, and then I'd put that there as well, just so that I could rotate them and get them in the right spot. This is a really tough one to get 100% looking accurate. Try your best. Make a reasonable effort, and I think everything will be okay.